What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to enter the service mode of an Electrolux dryer. With help of the service mode, we can view the error code stored in the memory. In addition to viewing errors using the service mode, you can perform a full check of all components of the Electrolux dryer without disassembling it and without special measuring devices. Right now, I will demonstrate step by step how to do it. Let's go. I turn on the power and set the indicator to normal mode with the round mode selection knob. Press the start button. Using the power button, I turn off the dryer and immediately turn it on. After turning on the dryer, within 7 seconds, need to press the temp and set buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. I do this. The diagnostic mode is activated when the LEDs start blinking in sequence. In my case, the display showed the error code EHD and E61. Both errors indicate a faulty main control board. Scrolling through tests in diagnostic mode. Tests are selected using the same method used to select cycles. Test numbers are briefly displayed as each test is selected and also correspond to the LEDs on the selector. Exiting diagnostic mode. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about the Electrolux dryer, entering the service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.